Ever wondered which car is the fastest on Earth? Right now, the title belongs to the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, hitting speeds of up to 330 miles per hour. But here's a crazy question. What if we could build an even faster car? One that breaks all the limits and goes faster than anything we've ever seen? What would we need to make that happen? To figure this out, we've got to start with a few key questions. What makes a car fast? What kind of materials do we need? How do we make it go faster without breaking the laws of physics? First, we need to understand that speed isn't just about power, it's about efficiency. A car that has tons of power but can't use it effectively is like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops. It won't work. The lighter the car, the less energy it takes to move it forward, but we also need something strong enough to handle the insane forces at those speeds. Carbon fiber, titanium, and even graphene would be used to build the body, making it super light yet incredibly durable. So we need to balance weight and strength. To achieve speeds over 500 miles per hour, we'd need an engine that delivers extreme horsepower. For example, the Thrust SSC, the current land speed record holder, had a jet engine that produced over 100,000 horsepower. If we combined that with the latest electric motors for better efficiency, who knows how fast we could go. But the tricky part is making sure it's strong enough to handle the air pressure and forces at those speeds. Aerodynamics is critical. At super high speeds, air resistance becomes a huge issue. That's why superfast cars look like they belong in the future. They're designed to slip through the air, not crash into it. A car that could break 500 miles per hour would need a body with almost zero drag. But here's the big question. How fast could it actually go? Let's say we take all these elements and combine them perfectly. With enough horsepower, the right materials, and aerodynamics, theoretically, a car could go up to 1,000 miles per hour. So, are we basically done here? Of course not. At those speeds, humans would face some serious challenges. First off, the G-forces would be insane. At speeds over 500 miles per hour, you'd experience forces that could easily exceed 10 Gs. For comparison, astronauts only experience about 3 Gs during launch. So, a person inside the car would feel like they were being crushed into their seat. That's a lot of pressure, and it could be deadly without special suits and equipment to withstand those forces. And don't forget heat. At 1,000 miles per hour, friction with the air would create immense heat, possibly melting parts of the car. You'd need cooling systems, and the car might have to be constantly re-engineered to withstand this brutal environment. Plus, there's the risk of the car becoming unstable at those speeds. Anything could go wrong in a split second. So, why don't we already have cars like this? Well, besides the insane cost of developing such a machine, the technology and engineering just aren't quite there yet. We're still pushing the limits with land speed records, and the focus is more on vehicles like electric cars and hypercars for everyday use. Plus, let's be honest, who really needs a 1,000 miles per hour car when there are speed limits and traffic everywhere? I've tried to break it down and explain everything as clearly as I could. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something cool today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun topics. See you next time.